Yeah. Yeah, me. A kissing movie. A bucket. Yeah, me. Yes, me.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Are you afraid of the dog?
No.
You are a little bit, eh?
I have movement.
Huh?
I'm just moving for so you can get us toys and stuff. What? Hole?
If you are a little bit, you should say it. It helps.
Yeah, I think you're a little bit afraid, aren't you?
Oh.
When she comes to lick you.
Go.
You don't really like her licks.
Oh,
be careful.
I'm afraid. Yay. Yay. Now she's running together. Because now she has energy. I want the ball. Because she's laying down. Yeah. Me. Yeah. Me.
The other ball's behind you, Drew.
Huh?
The other... Turn around, look down. Turn around.
Huh?
Turn around, it's behind you.
I gave her the brush.
Yeah, there it is.
That's two balls.
How many balls?
1, 2. Doesn't want it. Oh, I want these. I do. I don't get it.
Don't run.
She's going to chase you and pull you down, kiss you a lot.
What are you doing? Do it up.
I shouldn't get it. Yeah, she wants to eat it. Yeah, she is eating it. I eat it, Mom, we want eat. Say sock.
She's trying to eat sock?
A dish.
Yes.
Eat.
Yeah, she does that.
She does.
That's what dogs do.
Want me to try? Yeah. Yeah. And me. More.
More what?
Ball. Me ball.
Just walk. Just walk.
Not two balls.
Yep, don't run, just walk.
Not two balls. Two balls. What these? To me. Yeah. Hey, can toys go? No.
Okay, you guys, wave to the camera.
Wave.
Wave to Papa. Bye-bye. Bye, cheese.